In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify phone number in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account. After logging in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load, especially the overview page. Waiting for everything to appear properly can help avoid missing menu options or clicking too early. When you're inside the account, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click Assets. This is where Google Ads lets you manage extra information connected to your ads, including call features. After the Assets section opens, click the plus button to create a new asset. From the available options, select Call Asset. This is the setting that allows your phone number to be shown with your ads, and it also gives you the option to verify that number so Google can confirm it belongs to your business. Next, choose your country from the drop-down list. Make sure you select the correct country so the phone number format matches properly. Then enter the phone number you want to verify. Double-check the number before moving on because even a small mistake can prevent the verification code from reaching the right device. If you want more control over when this call asset appears, click Advanced Options. Here, you can adjust the call scheduling settings. Set your preferred days and times for the call asset to show. This can be especially useful if you only want calls during business hours, so people reach you when someone is available to answer. Once everything looks right, click Save to continue. After that, wait for Google Ads to send a verification code to your phone number. This may take a short moment, so be patient and keep your phone nearby. When you receive the code, enter it into the verification field exactly as shown on your phone. Then click Verify to confirm your phone number. Google Ads will process the request, and you'll need to wait briefly while the system confirms whether the verification was successful. If everything was entered correctly, your number should be approved without any issues. Finally, return to the Assets page and check that your phone number is marked as verified and active. This final check is important because it confirms the setup is complete and your call asset is ready to be used in your ads. And that's it. You've successfully verified your phone number in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.